If you've come across Vendrisa shop, you're probably asking one simple question. Is it actually legit, or is it just another online store you should avoid? I took a closer look at the website to see what it offers and whether there are any warning signs you should know about before spending your money. First, the website has a clean and modern design. It displays a range of products with attractive prices. At first glance, everything looks normal. But as always, appearances can be deceiving. One of the first things I check is company information. A trustworthy online store usually provides clear contact details, a physical address, and information about the business behind the website. If this information is limited or difficult to verify, that's something to keep in mind. Next, I look at customer reviews. If there are only a handful of reviews, or if every review sounds overly positive without much detail, it's worth being cautious. On the other hand, genuine customer feedback from multiple sources can help build trust. Another thing to check is the return and refund policy. A legitimate store should clearly explain how returns work and how customers can request refunds. If these policies are confusing or missing important details, that's another red flag. I also recommend checking how long the website has been around. New online stores aren't automatically scams, but newer websites usually have less of a reputation. That means you should do a little more research before placing an order. Payment methods matter too. Secure payment options like credit cards or trusted payment services can give you an extra layer of protection if something goes wrong. So, is Vendrisa shop legit? Based on my research, I think it's best to be careful. I didn't find enough strong evidence to confidently recommend it as a trusted online store. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does mean you should do your own research before making a purchase. Start with a small order if you decide to buy. Avoid spending a large amount on your first purchase. Read recent customer experiences and use a payment method that offers buyer protection. At the end of the day, staying cautious is the best way to shop online.